salamat sa mainit na pagtanggap sa sa katauhan ko. Wala dito si Beth kasi namahinga siya. Kasi big man kasi niya sa susunod na buwan. So siya, bigyan natin siya ng katahimikan pansamantala. Sabi niya sa akin, mag-advise. Hindi naman ako matalino. Siguro hindi naman talaga kailangan ng katilinuhan dito. Katarantaduhan lang. Tsaka kabaliwan. Ito na naman, may problema. Sabi, may nagbigay sa kanila ng problema. Kaya ako yung inaatasan na mag-advise. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, kasi ang husband niya ay foreigner, isaksak sinagol, i-mix ko lang, ha? Ito, hi TNB, I am Alicia, married to a German guy. He is still working in Germany. Wow, Germany. Siguro taga-German to. Siguro German ang asawa niya. And he just visited me and my son here in Cebu every 2 months. We've been married for 3 years, but even on that time, I never know his password on his email and Facebook. Do you think it's normal and even his phone has pattern? Pattern is something like that. I don't know. I feel he has I don't know. I feel he has something hidden on me. Please advise me and your viewers. Alicia, ano ang problema mo? Talagang komplikado din, I think all you need, what you gonna do is talk to your husband German. Talk to your husband German, and then you gonna say your husband German, why did you gonna tell him what happened? Why is it you cannot even give me your email or password? No, kasi talaga pag mag-asawa kayo, wala nang lihim-lihim. Lihim-lihim, hindi maganda yan sa pagsasama. If you hid if you hide from your partner, it seems that there's no trust at all. And in a relationship, there should be built trust and respect. Because if trust and respect is not present in the relationship, then the relationship will not getting bigger. Kang nosebleed talaga ako pag English. Because if your husband is just be here in the Philippines every 2 months, something fishy there, something. Why is it he didn't inform or give you password and email? You are already husband and wife. We could understand him if you are just a girlfriend. If you are just a girlfriend, it could be understandable. Because your husband and wife already, supposedly, there's already trust and respect bond on the two of you. So, I think my advice that I could give is talk to your husband and release your sentiment. Tell him what's on your mind. You gonna say, oh German, I have something to tell you. Why is it you cannot give me your password? Or why is it your phone has a pattern? Do you hide me anything? Because there could be tendency, that while he is away from you in Germany, he has a chatmate, He has a chatmate, and that's why he hide his Facebook, he got pattern on his phone. There could be like that. But sometimes, because as a woman, we have instinct, and sometimes our instinct is right. We call that women instinct, So, all you need to do is talk to your husband. And, if your husband loves you, really loves you and your child, then he will not hide anything from you. But if you think that there's something to be settled and there's something to be talked right on that matters, you need to open to your husband on that, because that's the key of a successful marriage is communication. Communication, because by communication there could be respect built on that. Okay? So sasabi ko nga sa'yo, hindi ako talino, hindi ko alam yan. Kaya sa comment na lang sa viewers namin. Ano? So again, please like, comment and subscribe. Alicia, salamat. Salamat sa pagpadala ng problema mo. At saka huwag kalimutan, Alicia, na magdasal ka. Magdasal ka at saka iano mo, talagang ang kailangan mong gawin. Huwag ka munang magduda. Huwag ka munang mag-isip ng masama. Kausapin mo muna. Para naman sa ikakagaganda ng buhay nyo. At kung may itinago naman ang husband mo, pag-usapan nyo. Kung pwede i-settled. Kung pwede i-save ang marriage, i-save ang marriage. Kasi kawawa ang anak mo. At saka, baka may password baka ayaw niyang ibigay yung password niya sa cellphone, kasi may iba talagang ganyan na ayaw ibigay yung password ng Facebook nila, ng email nila, kasi yung asawa nila pag mag-computer sa internetan hindi nagla-log out, siguro for security reason din, pero ano lang, talagang kausapin mo lang yung asawa mo, ganun lang. Saka problema mo na, sabi nga tandaan mo lang na ang pinaka-importante is komunikasyon, respeto sa asawa,